Hello fellow crafters, I'm back with another sweet craft for the garden, and today I wanted to go ahead and share a craft that involves a water hose and some flowers. I have some items here that were used in a previous project, and a little sign from the Dollar Tree, a water hose from the 99, which was not it was from the 99, but it wasn't 99 cents, it was $2.99. And of course our hot glue and some hot glue sticks. So what am I going to do with all this, you say? Well, let's find out. Today what we're going to be doing is a water hose wreath. And the reason why I want to do that is, if you've been following me on YouTube and keeping up with my channel, the YouTube videos that I was making is Welcome to My Garden Spring Summer Transition, and this is going to be one of the decorations for the garden. Let me get my little handy dandy cart from behind here, and let's get these labels off. Let's get started. Let's just get started on all this. Now I have chosen, if you have a water hose that no longer works, you can use that as well. I have chosen to get a water hose from the 99 because I couldn't find one in the garage, and it is 15 feet. I don't know if you guys can see that. 15 feet long. So let's just take all the tags off and throw that to the side. Get all of these little wraps off because we don't want it like this. So we need the water hose, we need some kind of decorations, flowers, a little sign, maybe a watering can. Maybe you have a cute little toy watering can, depending on the size of your wreath. I got some of these pipe cleaners to wrap around my water hose to tighten it when I'm ready to go ahead and put it to the side. So there's that. And all these flowers that were in a previous project, I'm going to go ahead and pull them off and use that. I got some rope that I'm going to be using as well. And I found this little bee. I don't know if he'll make it onto the wreath, but I found this little bee that I might be using. Found this natural colored wrap. It's one of those that comes with your blanket when you buy them. I kept it, and I'm planning to use that as well. And I have these. I couldn't find any foam, floral foam, so I'm going to use these to kind of make this a little bit spaced out, not so, you know, together, but so we can wrap it. And I'll try to plug in the wreath that inspired me to do this. But let's get started. So what I'm going to need, exactly how I want my hose. Now this little piece of wood that I also got at a Dollar Tree a while back, and might make it, might not make it, I don't know, because will it look nice? I don't know, but we'll see. So let's start with the water hose and the pipe cleaners. And I gotta be careful because on this side is the hot glue gun. You can't see it, but it's a little bit back there. So we're gonna unravel this water hose. I should have been doing this video outside, but it is hot. We've got 90 something degrees outside, and to me that's hot. So let's see. I'm gonna start pretty big. There we go. And then, now like I said, it's not a very big water hose. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm just basically unraveling it and making it, again, that this thing is not working with me. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start on this side again. And just seems to go like this. Kind of has a mind of its own. Okay. Okay, so it goes towards the front. So I don't want it too small, but I want it to kind of like graduate into smaller. Okay, so this is the back right here. Hope you guys are watching this. Hope you guys can see this, because it's kind of like, it has a mind of its own, so we're gonna have to tell it what we want it to do. I don't want you to tell me, I want to tell you what. And we're just gonna fiddle with this until we get it. So enjoy some music until I get it to the right spot where I want it at. And that is just to keep it from moving around. And then we're just going to go ahead and go around a circle. Try to get it to where we want it at. Kind of make it, keep on tying that little part. And this is going to be covered with that wrap that I told you. It's like a ribbon. And it does kind of want to do its thing, so I'm going to try to work with it, but I'm going to untwist it. Okay, I'm going to use another one because I'm going to lower this one just a little. Right there. There we are. It's starting to kind of like take a little form that I like. I'm going to put it kind of messy. Just turn this water hose away, and then see if I can kind of wrap it through here and make this one come down to here. Kind of like, you know, okay. So there's that. I don't know if I want that together with the other one, or do I want that down here? Okay, so we're just going to have one kind of coming down, and I might just have it turned around. See what size I like better. This one might need a little bit more. There we go. That. Sorry about the out of frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try one more thing before I settled into it, and it's all about playing around with it. Making sure that you have what you want. You might want it wider, you might want it tighter. I kind of want it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can loosen this one up here, and just kind of wrap it pretty big. I think that's pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie that one there because I like that look there. Okay. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and just, kind of messy. One in, one out. Oh, hold on, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, see how that one is just kind of like, messy? And then the other one is going to be a little bit bigger because I do want it bigger. It doesn't really show really good when you're laying it down, but when it hangs, it's kind of like a messy look. And there we are. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and tie them all in the same spot. And now what I'm going to do, just in case I do want to ever use this water hose, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that wrap that I was talking to you guys about, and make sure that that doesn't, the hot glue does not touch the water hose. So there we are. Didn't need all that. And then this one is just basically going to kind of fit to the back. This one's the only one that's going to show. And I might just flip it this way. Okay, now we're going to take this little wrap. Yeah, it's going to be just where the flowers are going to go, which the flowers are going to go probably from here to here. And then I did want to see if I can throw in some spacers so that way it looks a little bit more bulky at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and try to use this one here. It's not, sorry guys, getting used to it. So what you do, I believe, is, I guess if you had, oh, we're going to try the smaller one. There's a couple of sizes. And there's 3 little sizes. I'm going to use this medium one to see if that one works. And I kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the other one on the other side right over here. Alright, let's see. And then I'm going to take my little wrap, put a little bit of hot glue on it right here. And just peel it down. Try not to burn yourself. But the whole thing is to not put it directly onto the hose. And then we're just going to continue wrapping this way. Alright, so that's dried. I'm done with these little styrofoam balls, and now let's get started on picking out the flowers that we want. I'm going to go ahead and put them inside of the wreath. And I like the yellow because yellow calls bees, I guess. And like I said, these were previous a project, so that's not going to show because I'm going to go ahead and just put it there. And then this beautiful one here. Oh, I have another yellow one. Super excited. Let's see. Oh, my leaves. Okay, I can use that leaf. Right there. What are you doing over here? Okay. Might have to take out my heating gun just to, you know, kind of like melt a little bit of this glue. This strong glue. I didn't know that hot glue was that strong. Okay. That's that one. Okay. Yeah. These little things here that you see, you know, it doesn't look bad, but you can fix it. Let's go ahead and just put another flower next to it. Looks full. And I do want a purple, because I love purple. And there's a purple. Like I said, there's leaves everywhere. And then I think I saw an orangey one. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out, and I'll be back when I've decided how many I want.